Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. In this video, we are going to see some very exclusive bridal Kanjivaram silk sarees. All these are pure Kanjivaram hand-woven silk sarees in the price range of 16,000 and it goes up to 50,000. Let's get started. All the sarees that I'm going to show you in today's video are double and triple warp hand-woven pure Kanjivaram silk sarees and are silk mark certified. We have 1 gram zari, 2 gram zari and also pure golden zari weaving sarees. All these are very pretty and perfect bridal wear in affordable range. These sarees will have brocade patterns, tissues with very intricately woven borders, korvai borders. We also have antique zaris in single colors. All these sarees are available in our website. We have many more unique designs and colors that are available. To take a look at the entire collection, please log on to www.prashantisarees.com. You can also download our app that's available in both iOS and Android. Thank you for watching this video. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.